Hi, today I'm talking about Databricks Delta table for data engineering course. So what is the Delta table? So Delta is in most of application or data warehouse, we need to build Delta tables and then merge. But Databricks provide the inbuilt capability to do this one. So it's very simple. So let's go through what is Delta Lake. Basically, Delta Lake is guarantee reliability, support ACID transaction, ensure data consistency even during the failure, time travel, effortlessly explore the fast version. You can also see the fast version of data. Schema evolution, this is very important part. Add and remove modify columns seamlessly without breaking the code. Performance optimization, partitioning, indexing, and caching accelerate the queries, right? Delta Lakes delivers these benefits and add more, making powerful choice for building comprehensive data lakehouse. So combining data lake flexibility with the warehouse reliability on the Databricks. So this is the lakehouse, basically combination of data warehouse and data lakes. So key concept, as I said, it supports ACID transaction log, also data log, track changes, records, and inserting, update, deletion, receiving the data travel, store actual data, adapt the changing needs, explore the past version, multiple write works simultaneously, track the data origins, seamlessly experience. And here I give example, and after this I will run through Databricks code. So creating data table from data frame. So create data frame, and this is the data frame, and then df.write format is delta. So delta is keyword which can be written in this path. Read spark.read that format is delta, offset is path, and load delta like so. Offset from write format and offset you need to append here. In version as of version 0, delete to id equal to 2 also you can do. So let's walk through the example. So here I did setup. So what we are going to learn here, by use of CTS keyword statement and create delta lake table, create new table from existing view table, enrich loaded data into additional metadata, declare table schema, generated column and adaptive. So let's run. This is my code, and here the file is running. And it's running, then we are going to create table as. So this is create table as in Databricks support, create table as select, create table as select. So you can start with CTS. It's running, after this we will run, so this will complete it. Predefined path variable, you can use this variable. db users, db datasets, we are going to use db.pathset. db.pathset is datasets is here, and this is the dataset path in Databricks, and then we can go here. So let's run. Create and replace cells. So we're replacing cells from Parquet format. So we ran and describe extend sales. So this one has order ID, email, transaction type, total item quantity, purchase user item amount, unique IDs, and this one item is like this. And catalog is high meta store, database is this my database, table is sales, created on elements, and last access is unknown, is created by Spark 3.3, type is managed table, location it will be managed table location, provider is a delta, owner root, managed location is true, stable property, and versions, okay. And then I'm going to run the top 10. So create automatically interpret a schema query and not supported manual schema evaluation. This means that create a statement useful external data injection from the source well-defined schemas such as Parquet file tables. CTS statement also don't support specify additional option. We can also see this is present a significant limitation when we are trying to ingest data in CSV file. So here it's the same what I did. I put the CSV format and then path and select. So what it will be, it will replace everything in one column. So the correctly inject data in data lake, we will need to use interface to file allow to specify option. In this previous lesson, we saw during the registering external table. Here we have slightly evolved the syntax or specifying option of temporary view. Then we use this temp view to source CTS. So you see create or replace temp view, and then we are specifying the data type. So here is long, string, long, integers, or there are various column. We are defining everything here. So like first one is long, the second one is string, email, the third one is timestamp, and long, and fourth one is sort of quantity, this one, and so on. And then we are selecting cells from this one, and then select from delta. So create table, here is create table, here is create view. So this is running, and on the back end you see the Spark job is running, and you can see here similarly. But if you see here this item, this is still JSON format, list in JSON. Filtering and renaming column in existing table. Simply the rename column is like as in SQL, create replace table, sales, and sales is what. So previously we create sales delta, and here is sales. So here is sales. So sales is direct packet, and renaming is just nothing but we just use as. We rename create replace table. Okay, and then similarly create replace purchase view, order ID is ID, transaction time, purchase time is price, sales, and we can read only three columns we're reading. So ID, transaction time, price. Declare schema with a generated column, right? So we can also declare a schema, create replace table, ID, transaction timestamp, process, date, a generated column. So this is the new things here, as cast timestamp, as timestamp, generated base transaction timestamp column. We just did this one, and now what we are going to do, because date is generated column, so if you want to purchase date without providing values of date column, data lake automatically compute them, right? So what we are doing here, purchase date, merge. So this we are merging based on purchase, using purchase A and P. We are checking if what is present, then not match, then insert, otherwise upside. So if you see here, Databricks is very powerful, and it will say like how many number of row affected, number of, because there is nothing to merge because previously I ran already. So the first time run it will see. Now we are going to see some data from purchase date. So it will show the ID, transaction time, and this is time for this time is date is showing generated date column. Okay. Similarly, not all constant check also we can do, and this constant check will remove the data. Like if it gives something like, we can also do, let me try to do error, the valid date already exists, so already this date is exists, so it's difficult to apply again, we need to drop and do, but it's here. Enrich table, additional option metadata, current timestamp, input file name, create comment also we can do. So create replace, okay, comment this one, location as this one, and partition by this dates, and select first touch time. We are doing some update, and updated date, source date. So star plus we enrich these three columns. So let's see how it works. So user ID, it start from this table. So let's see. We enrich. So here location, input file. So input file is this one. Updated date is 2/11 because I ran on first on 2/11. Yeah, 11, and time is different time zone, and first date is like this, which we did. Okay, and describe table also we can do here, and here in Python we also do Python db utils .fs.ls, then we can use this file and then see the display files. And since we use partition, so delta lex will show the partition as well as path modified data. Cloning is copying, similar to copying. So source table size, and it will say create a place versus clone. And here we are doing from clone. It will show the update because since I'm running 2 times, number of files and everything. So summary, this notebook is the primary focus of DDL syntax for creating delta lake tables, and next notebook will explore the option of writing update tables. Okay, so once it's done, we are going to clean up everything. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.